got a choke or something.
Don't tell me how to... Stop, Bob. Ooh. Ooh.
A secret weapon. I wonder what it could be.
And here it is.
It won't here, Charlie.
Fire consume my enemy! Slam to burst!
And he does. And there he goes off in that direction.
The gladiators from my power plant will crush your flabby grapes.
I'd agree. Is it wrong to cheat?
Yes, sir.
Let me rephrase that. Is it wrong if I cheat in order to win
Yes,
a
sir.
Negro? Hey, sorry.
With them on a team, you won't need us.
You're Daryl Straw.
Yes?
What makes you think this Daryl Strawberry character is better than you?
Instead of beer, from now on, you'll all be drinking this.
Wow.
Here.
I got it! These guys aren't so tough. I've got Wonder Bat.
Something was lacking. Let's call it art.
That's Daryl.
I want to make the team. Clemens, did I make...
Smithers, there's no way I can lose this bet. Or speak at normal.
How long does it take to see this thing?
You may never come out.
Wow. One, please.
Where do you think you're going?
Sir, Mike Sosha may not live through the night. And Ozzie Smith seems to have vanished off the face of the earth.
You! Look what you've done! My starting pitcher thinks he's a chicken! The man who plays your position is still here.
Purple is a fruit.
Smithers, massage my brain.
Yes, sir.
You! Strawberry! Strawberry! Strawberry!
But I've got 9 home runs today.
You should be very proud of yourself. All right, Simpson, let's go over the signals.
Orenthal James Simpson, not guilty of the crime of murder in violation of Penal Code Section 187A, a felony upon Nicole Brown Simpson, a human being, as charged in count 1 of the information.
Got that, Simpson?
Yay!
Oh my God!